All right, next. By combining the iterator variable I with strings, for example, label plus I in the program below, you can change the properties of many screen elements all at once. We saw this earlier in the font generator thing. Read the code carefully to understand how the I variable is being used inside of the loop. Update this program so that when you click the button, it randomly resizes each word. Okay. So var I is equal to 0, so it's starting out at the 0 beginning. I is less than 4 for each one, then we're going to I plus plus. Okay. Set property label plus I, text color, okay, random number. Oh, I see. It's going to give us a random color value, RGB color value, because RGB is from 0 to 255. So like 255 would be the maximum value of red, and then 255 would be the maximum value of green, and then this 255 would be the maximum value of blue. If you did all 255, it would end up being white because the additive property of light basically becomes out white. So RGB 255, 255, 255 is white. RGB 000 is black. And then you have like all the variations and combinations in between. Okay. Update this program so that when you click the button, it randomly resizes each word. Okay, so we have set property, label I, text color. We can probably turn around and do set property, label, plus I, this is going to be label, plus I, because these are IDs. And then let's see here, is it font size? Let's look. We need this in quotes, actually. Here we are, font size, comma, and then we'll do a random value, so random number. And then it's going to be 0, not 0, right? What's the smallest font size we want? 10, let's do 10. And then the maximum font size we want is maybe 24. All right, let's see what this does. All right. Let's hit run. Actually, it's unhappy about this, so let's do that first. Let's hit run. Gotta hit the button. I hit the button a couple of times, but that's okay. Look at that, tiny, tiny. All right, so this works. We're good. Let's finish and continue.